Not holding that one up.
Oh, that one looks really gross at the bottom. Maybe just stir it.
Why does it look chunky?
Oh God, I thought you were gonna drop it.
Ew, it looks chunky.
That's disgusting.
I want to drink that. Video's taking a detour.
Like gross.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mariah if you are new here. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and today I'm joined by Stephanie. Hi. She has a YouTube channel as well, so I will link that down below. And if you haven't seen, we did a trying our followers Starbucks orders on her channel. So go check that out. Here we're doing Dunkin' Donuts. So we posted on Instagram and Facebook and asked you guys to submit your orders, and we chose 4. So I don't know which one we should try first.
I kind of want to like save that one for last.
For last?
I feel it's gonna be, I think this is the chai.
Oh, the chai. Okay, then we'll just go for this one.
Okay.
I don't know. And the fiasco, we kind of filmed that. The oat milk like curdled.
It was really, it looked chunky. It was gross.
So we went back and asked for it with almond milk. So if you submitted it and it was with oat milk, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, we apologize.
Now we're doing almond. Okay.
Oh.
This one, what? What?
This one has oat milk in it. You know what? It's fine.
It'll be fine.
It'll be fine.
We can't see it. Ew, what if we get sick? Okay, so first up, we have an iced coffee black with 1 pump caramel swirl, 1 pump mocha swirl.
Okay, I feel like this one's gonna be good.
This one should be good. Usually I get a black caramel swirl, so it's just adding chocolate.
This really needs to be stirred.
Yeah. It's a little,
Oh, okay, it's mixing. I was like, why does it look gray on the bottom?
Oh my goodness, I haven't had a mocha anything in a long time.
I don't think I've had it since high school, so it's been like 8 years for me.
I used to drink a mocha, a pumpkin mocha. It's gonna be so sweet.
No, that one's gonna be so sweet.
Oh. It's not as prominent as it. That was, yep.
Oh,
there's the mocha.
There it is. There it is.
There's the mocha. Or you can just stick your.
Oh yeah,
because we got smart and we got multiple straws.
Okay.
It doesn't have much flavor.
Yeah.
Like it's not crazy.
It is chocolatey. There's like you can tell there's chocolate.
It tastes like dark chocolate.
Yeah. I think it's pretty good. I don't know if I would get it though.
I probably wouldn't get it just because I'm not a big mocha.
I'm not a big mocha either. Which is funny because I feel like we
have a lot of mocha.
There was a lot of mocha.
I guess other people like mocha. I would rate it. What would you rate this?
Is this the one with the sugar too? No.
No.
I think I would rate this.
I just spun it around so I don't know which.
I feel like it's 5. It's okay.
5? It's okay. I don't want any more.
Yeah, I'm all set with it.
Like
I feel like a 5 out
like
of 10.
a 5 or 6.
5 out of 10 for me.
Yeah.
If you like mocha, you'd probably like it.
Yeah. And it's not super.
It's not
flavorful.
It's not super sweet either.
No.
It's not very flavorful, which I think is
it just kind of tastes like coffee with like a hint of dark chocolate.
Yeah.
Yep. I don't taste any caramel.
No. There's no caramel flavor to me.
No.
Which is really odd, but okay.
Yeah, 5.
5.
A solid 5.
It's a 5. 5 out of 10.
Is this the raspberry?
No, that's the really sweet one, I think.
Oh wait, we don't know what this is.
We need to look at, what was it? Was it on your phone?
Yeah. Oh, small raspberry with almond milk. Yeah, that's all it is.
All right.
How cute. We're on a date in the 1950s.
Oh my god.
They like really mixed this one.
Yeah, I feel like they did both of these. Oh god, oh god, oh no. Nah, it's not a good one.
No, it just really tastes like raspberry ice cream. It's like black raspberry.
I'm all set with that one. I don't like it.
That like hit me.
No, I knew it was gonna taste like that too. It tastes like, you ever had like a raspberry Danish?
Ew!
That's what it tastes like to me.
Okay, it tastes like raspberry jelly. Like it tastes like...
Yeah, no, I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry whoever suggested that one.
This makes me think that Dunkin' blueberry would be gross, because blueberry coffee is really good, but if this is with the raspberry, oops, I'm just knock that over.
Yeah, I'm good. That's like a 0 out of 10 for me.
It just doesn't taste like coffee.
It's just very, exactly. I feel like it's something that would be for someone who doesn't really love coffee and just wants
more of an ice cream flavor.
Yeah. No.
It tastes like raspberry coffee ice cream. I don't know. It's just not good.
Now.
Yeah.
So.
Okay. So
I was hoping that one was gonna be good.
Probably a 2 is generous.
I say a 0. I did not like that one at all. It was not good.
I could suffer through it if I had to.
Oh, I can't. I can't do it.
Wait, what is this? This is,
I don't know. This one has mocha, you can tell. And it's,
oh, this was our latte. It was a raspberry latte.
Not good.
Ew. Sorry to whoever submitted.
I'm so sorry, but we did not enjoy that one.
All right, this is a iced coffee with coconut and mocha swirl and sugar. And almond milk. So very coconut sweet. Mocha with almond milk and sugar.
A coca mocha.
A coca mocha.
I'm scared. I don't want to go first. You go first. It's so sweet, isn't it?
The sugar just like rushed up through the straw.
I'm so scared.
Without the sugar, it wouldn't be bad.
Wow, sweet coffee. Sweet.
All I taste is coconut.
I like the coconut.
I think coconut coffee would actually be good. But it's like the like grainy sugar just went up the straw.
The sweetness level is just not ideal for me. It's so sweet. Okay, I like the flavor. It's the sweetness level. Like, I wouldn't get sugar in this.
And
I probably wouldn't get mocha either because I don't really love mocha.
I'd get a coconut with almond milk.
Yeah, that sounds really good actually. Now I want one.
Turns back around. Excuse me, you made this wrong again.
I know, they'd be like, I'm pretty sure we didn't.
I'm not a mocha fan.
No.
I'm glad we're trying it, so I know I'm not a mocha fan.
I know.
And now I know I might be a coconut fan.
I think the coconut would be so good. So good.
I feel like my stomach's gonna hurt after.
I know. I was thinking that too.
And we haven't
gonna be like this. Bouncing off the wall.
Last one.
I think this one's gonna be good. Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down.
I don't think we've like found one that like is amazing though. Well, the tea was.
I liked that one.
Yeah.
And we liked the
that's true.
The Starbucks.
But it wasn't like as exciting as I thought.
I know, it was, because it wasn't like,
no one submitted like frappuccinos or anything really fun.
I know. And I think you can get those dairy-free at Starbucks.
Frappuccinos?
Because they do it themselves. Like, I think at Dunks they do it like it's a pre-mix.
Yeah.
Pre-made mix.
All right.
Pre-mix.
Oh yeah, so we didn't get anything with dairy, by the way. We didn't say that in the video. Neither of us drink dairy.
Yeah.
She can't drink dairy and I just choose not to drink dairy.
Yeah.
This is a hot chai latte with 1 shot of espresso.
They called it a filthy chai
latte.
Right?
Yes. Which is a chai latte with a shot of espresso and oat milk.
I want to make sure that's what she said. Oh yeah, she said filthy chai with oat milk.
Yes.
A filthy chai latte with oat milk. That's what she suggested. I feel like this one's gonna be good. This might be, oh, I can't get it out of myself.
It smells good. I'm so scared that it's gonna be chunky.
Oh yeah, that smells good. It's not.
It looks fine.
It must have like dissolved. Because it's hot. Melted. What do you think? No? No. Oh gosh. Okay. I'm just gonna stir it a little bit and get rid of the chunks.
Oh, that's actually really not good. There's no chunks, but it's not what I thought it was gonna taste like.
It's also lukewarm.
Yeah, true.
So that doesn't help.
I didn't have that one in mind when we drove all over.
So I'm gonna go with, it's a no from me. Wow. Every single Dunks was not good. I'm so sorry we didn't like any of your suggestions.
I just don't think I like chai. It smells better than it tastes.
I want to try that at Starbucks because I feel like they could make it better.
Okay. Let me know.
I will. So unfortunate though. We didn't like any. We didn't even rate them.
Oh.
Okay, so
we did rate this one. No, we did. This one was a
we didn't do this
2
one.
and a 0. This, wow. Okay, the idea of it being just a coconut with almond milk would be great.
Okay, so I didn't hate it. Like I would drink it.
Yeah.
If it wasn't so sweet. So if it didn't have sugar, it would be a 7 for me. A 7.
It would be like a 6.
So we'll just go with that. If you like
with the sugar, I just simply would not drink it.
Yeah, it's too sweet.
No.
I don't like it. I'm really upset I didn't like the chai. Okay.
It smells a lot better than it tastes.
Yeah, let me smell this. Okay. It still doesn't smell like a normal chai though.
Really?
Yeah. It usually a chai smells more like.
It smells like.
More like. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it, but it smells better than that.
That one's a 0.
I would say it's a 2. I really want to try a Starbucks version of that because I feel like they would do it a lot better than Dunks did.
Yeah, I don't know that I trust Dunkin for like lattes.
So I've gotten a pumpkin spice latte and they're pretty good, but usually when I go to Dunks I only get an iced coffee.
Yeah, I feel like everyone gets iced coffee.
Yeah.
But now I know that I might like the coconut iced coffee.
Yeah, I know. I want to try that next.
Not the raspberry.
No.
This was a latte, which I didn't know.
Yeah, the raspberry one was a latte. The other ones were just iced coffees.
What was this one? Oh, the
iced coffee with
caramel mocha that just didn't taste like anything.
Yeah. I don't know.
Now we can't even like drink one of them.
I know.
Enjoy it.
I feel like that was just a fail from
Oh no,
Dunks.
mine's gonna run out of storage. Hold on. All right, I ran out of storage for a second, but here we are. So that was a fail.
Yeah,
pretty much.
Starbucks one was better.
It was. So go watch Stephanie's video, check it out. We did Starbucks orders. We did more like of a variety on yours.
Yeah, well,
because Dunkin' doesn't really have variety.
And everyone that
those okay, yeah. Also,
got iced
we got a lot of bland orders. No offense, everyone. I mean, I would have said the same thing.
Yeah,
like it was like
my go-to
iced coffee with almond milk, or like caramel swirl with almond milk.
I should have asked for funky drinks that you get.
Yeah. Thank you for everyone that submitted. Sorry we didn't like them.
Yeah.
So sorry.
Genuinely sorry.
Comment down below if we like any more video ideas you have for Stephanie and I, because we can do more.
Yeah.
And we were also thinking of doing a holiday version.
Yes.
Come Vlogmas. So look out for that. Like, comment, subscribe. Comment your coffee order. Or your favorite funky coffie order.
Yeah, funky. So we can try them.
Something cool. All right, it's so hot in here, I'm gonna die. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.